Good morning, guys. Welcome to Garden Chronicles. Alright, today is August 14th, 2019. Really quick, y'all, I want to talk about my okra. Y'all know I love okra, so let's get right to it. Alright, so we are in Jerde Garden, okay? And these are my okra plants. Now, you guys, I skipped one day coming out because I needed to rest, and these okra, they grew so fast. Like, they was mostly this size, like this size. I don't know if you can see it, the sun is really bright. Okay, so anyway, they was like this size at first, and then all the rain that we had, they went to that size. You guys, let me tell y'all something. And I got quite a few of them. And now it is August, and my okra, they seem to be doing pretty well. So I'm just gonna let them keep going. Now, look, here go the other plant. Look, I gotta harvest these. Look at this one. I gotta harvest these because if I don't, they're gonna get too big and tough. So yeah, and I'll show y'all what I'll be doing. See, look, they all up under here. For real. This is the tallest okra plant I ever seen. Look, there go one. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going back around and showing y'all how my okra plant looks. So keep up with me. Keep up with me. You know what I'm saying? Look, all down here. And steady producing. I got blooms. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. So I'm going to start harvesting these. So you just like cut the stem at the bottom. You know, you don't want to cut above this. You want to cut below the stem. You know, you ain't got to get all the way down there. But, you know, just midway. Oh. So, look, I'm trying to record this and cut this off at the same time. There you go. So, I'm going to pick the ones up that fall. I'm going to put them in my bowl. So, this is what I got, y'all. This is my harvest for today. I mean, I wasn't expecting this. So, I guess like this is even better. Like I wasn't expecting to get no more than about 3 okra today. But as you can see, abundance. Alright, so y'all have officially met my okra sons. They provided a very good harvest this morning. I will be eating these for breakfast, okay? For real, for real.